Welcome students. In this video we're going to look at 3 by 2 digit multiplication. So you're going to see problems like this: 995 times 55. The way you do it is you break down this into two problems. One is like this: 995 times 50 and 995 times 5. So you break it down into ones and tens. So one is 50, one is 5. And then the results, you add them together. You should get an answer. So let's do the first problem. 995 times 50. You put a 0 at the end because the 0 here, you don't touch it, you just leave it at the end. And then you do 5 times 5, 25 goes 2. 5 times 9, 45 plus 2, 47 goes 4. 5 times 9, 45 plus 4, 49. So you put here, this is the answer is here, it's 49,750. Now you do the second part. 995 times 5. 5 times 5, 25 goes 2. 5 times 9, 45. 45 plus 2, 47 goes 4. 5 times 9, 45 plus 4, 49. So you do 4975. Now the results you add them, so 0 plus 5, 5, 7 plus 5, 12 goes 1, 9 plus 8, 17 goes 1, 10 plus 4, 14 goes 1, so 4 plus 1 is 5. So the answer is 54,725. That's the final answer. So that's the way you do it. You break down the big pair problem into two problems, you add them up, and you get a final result. Let's do one more example. So you do A68 by 62. Once again, we break it down into two problems. A68, the tens is 60, and then the ones is 2. So A68 times 2. Results, you add them up and you get your final answer. Okay, so let's do the first problem. A68 times 60. So 0 at the end, and then you do 6 times 8, 48, carry 4. 6 times 6, 36, plus 4, 40, carry 4. 6 times 8, 48, plus 4, 54. 52, I'm sorry, 52. Because 6 times 8, 48 plus 4 is 52. So the first one is 52, 0, 80. 52, 0, 80. Then the second problem. A68 times 2. So 2 times 8, 16, carry 1. 2 times 6, 12, plus 1, 13, carry 1. 2 times 8, 16, plus 1, 17. So the second part is 1736. Now you add the two results together. 0 plus 6, 6. 8 plus 3, 11, goes 1. That's 8. 2 plus 1, 3, and 5. 53A16. That's the final answer. 53A16. 53A16. 53,816. So as you can see, we did the same thing. We broke it down into two problems. We get the results, add them up, and you get the final answer. That's an easy way of doing this type of problems instead of working out 2 digits at one time. Thank you very much.